This is a simulation of a panorama made with a QuickTime virtual reality application, which is obsolete, defunct, and almost impossible to get to run, particularly on PCs. What I'm doing is I'm showing you the content of a QTVR, which I'm running through. This is a video rather than an actual QTVR. This was a pretty early one. We were not, I don't think we were even using a tripod. Wat Sisaket is actually the only old temple in Vientiane. It was built in about 1815, and the paintings are from the 1820s. The altar is quite interesting. You'll see, among other things, that's a Khmer Buddha down in the middle there. So this is pretty much all the original altar installations from probably 1815, 1819. We were, even though we developed the interpretive materials that is still up at Wat Sisaket, ultimately we were not allowed to go in once we became more proficient at using the QTVR or later applications and software to make a much better, higher resolution interior virtual reality panorama. We were never allowed to go back in there and do it. So I'm essentially faking it from this old QTVR.